recording now. Hey y'all, I know it's loud out here. Y'all see this man? He's welding. Where I had the other guy who supposedly fixed my dual Catalytic converter, all he did was put clamps on it. I cannot believe somebody is ignorant enough to do that. I'm gonna walk around, maybe y'all can see what he's doing. But he's removing the clamps right now. Alright, let me walk around. I know this is going to make y'all dizzy, but I want to see. He's happened to remove the jerry rig work that was done on my truck. So, I just want y'all to see what's going on. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Y'all see them clamps on the ground? That's what the other dude did to my truck. That trash right there is what he put on my truck. And this man is welding it. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means, leave a comment. And, hold on. For y'all in the Liberty, Dayton area, this is where you come. They do everything here. That, I'm going to walk down here and show y'all everything on these signs that they do. But I want to show you somebody else's, oops. I hate doing the sideways video. That's what I call it. But this is the place to come, y'all. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and by all means, leave a comment. This is nothing edited. Remember, y'all do something nice for somebody today, and I'm out.